Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the pink Dandelion in Heartopia game, Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The festival event has been released in Heartopia and Dandelion flower is the flower from this event. If you want to purchase the flower, you can go to Blanc's gardening store, and you need to remember that you need to have level 2 to unlock the flower seed. Okay, you can buy the red dandelion and also the white dandelion, so you can create the pink one. Wait, let me show you the seed. Wait, guys. Okay, you need to have this red dandelion seed and also the white dandelion seed and put them together in your garden. I mean, you need to plant them nearby. For example, like this, guys. Okay, and this is the pink dandelion seed. So you can only get the seed by crossbreeding process. And to trigger the crossbreeding, you need to put the red one and the white one together like this. And when they are ready to harvest, don't immediately harvest it. You need to keep watering them until the crossbreeding process is successful. And when the crossbreeding process is successful, you will see a seed on the flower, just like this. And you can get the seed. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the pink dandelion seed in Heartopia Dreamlight Cinematic Festival event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!